Welcome to the University of Toronto. Becoming a student at a big place like UofT is exciting, but can also be a bit daunting. New students often feel nervous and wonder how they'll be able to navigate learning at the university level. If that's how you're feeling, you're not alone. A great place to start is with our team of Learning Strategists. We're a friendly group of experts who are here to support you by introducing evidence-based practices that can help you learn effectively. Like every UofT student, you'll experience moments of success and challenge. But the good news is that you belong to a community of learners, instructors, and staff, and you can always connect with resources and support. UofT will encourage you to become a flexible, creative thinker as you develop communication and critical thinking skills while managing multiple due dates. Your strengths will help you along the way, but all students experience some setbacks on their learning journey. Here are a few examples of common challenges and the ways we can address them. Example number 1. If first year feels like a fast train that never stops, remember that good learning takes time, so it's important to pace your work in a sustainable way. Start early, prioritize your work, avoid cramming, take breaks, rest, and recover. Example 2. If university learning feels different, tests are harder than you expected, or the questions on the midterm weren't taught in class, try approaching information like a detective. Look for the what, why, where, when, and how of the problem. University learners need to use information in lecture and in readings to solve novel problems on tests and assignments. Example 3. If you feel like you've hit a wall, are exhausted or overwhelmed, or that you're just not cut out for this, remind yourself that you're not a robot. You have needs that go beyond studying. Tend to your body, mind, and spirit to view yourself as a whole person and learner. Build connections with your peers, student resources, and faculty to experience the benefits of a supportive community. Example 4. If you don't know how to ask for help or where to go for help, remember that university learning is hard, but you can do hard things with support. Successful students at UofT are able to identify their areas of growth and find resources to support their learning. Asking for help isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of good learning. These are just a few of the strategies you can use along your learning journey. Setbacks can be tough, but they can also help you adjust and improve. To discover more about university learning, register for the University Prep Micro Course. The 3 topics we cover are: how do I study? Effective practices for learning. How do I plan? Organizing university learning. How do I stay motivated? Practicing consistency over perfection. UofT's team of learning strategists and upper year peer mentors are here to help you build successful practices that work for your individual learning needs. We're dedicated to your success, and we look forward to meeting you.